Hello everyone. If you look at the map of South America, you will see a country with a very strange shape. And that is Chile. It is not at all like its neighboring countries, neither is it wide, nor is it square or in a balanced shape. It is very long and thin. Now, this seems like a very interesting geographical fact, but there is a very deep story behind this shape of Chile. This is the story of war, geography, trade and survival. Because this shape of Chile is not only unique, but it also creates a lot of problems for it, whether it is natural disasters or security issues. Chile has to do a lot of work compared to other countries. In today's video, we will see why Chile has such a strange shape, and how this shape creates problems for Chile, and also how Chile is surviving despite bad geography. And there is also a very special lesson for all of us. If you like map animated videos related to focus on geography, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep getting notifications for new videos. The shape of Chile was not so strange from the beginning. Rather, the geography and history of Chile is very important behind this shape. Centuries ago, when there was no country called Chile, different tribes lived on this small land. In the north, Atacamenos and Aymaras lived, while in the south, a warrior named Mapuche lived. Then in the 15th century, the Spanish Empire came here in search of gold. Now, there was no civilization like Mexico or Peru here. Rather, there was a harsh mountainous area and dry desert here. And there was such a warrior nation that was not ready to give up in any way. So it was very difficult to occupy the Spanish Empire here. Chile was a very small country when it was from the Spanish Empire in 1818. Which was spread to today's Santiago and Valparaiso. But then in the 1800s, Chile began to spread quickly to the north and south. When Chile tried to occupy the northern side, it had to fight Peru and Bolivia during the War of the Pacific. When this war ended, Chile occupied many areas, while Bolivia lost all its coastline, and it had become a landlocked country. This victory was very big for Chile, because not only did it have a lot of natural resources under its control, rather, its border went up to 500 kilometers, and so Chile became an even longer and thinner country. Similarly, here in the south, Chile also tried to control the area of Patagonia. This was the area where Argentina was also keeping a close eye. At many times, the war between the two countries was safe, and then finally, in the Boundary Treaty of 1881, Chile was given control of southern Patagonia and the Strait of Magellan. And in this way, at the beginning of the 20th century, Chile had become a very long country, which was spread from north to south for 4,200 kilometers.